In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get orbs in Discord. If you're wondering how to earn orbs in Discord, you've come to the right place. Discord orbs are rewards you can receive by completing eligible quests within the app. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the basic process of finding available quests, accepting one, completing the required tasks, and claiming your rewards. The exact number of orbs you can earn may vary depending on the quest that's currently available to your account. To get started, open Discord on your desktop computer or mobile device and sign in to your account. Once Discord finishes loading, take a moment to make sure you're connected to the internet and that your account is working normally so you can access all available features. Next, look toward the upper left area of the Discord interface and open the Quests section. This is where Discord lists promotional activities and challenges that may reward you with orbs after completion. If the Quests section is available on your account, you'll see a list of active quests along with information about the rewards they offer. Depending on the current promotions, individual quests may reward anywhere from around 150 to 700 orbs. Browse through the available quests and choose one that you'd like to complete. Before accepting it, take a moment to review the requirements so you know exactly what you'll need to do. Once you're ready, click the Accept Quest button to begin tracking your progress. If you're using the Discord desktop app, you may occasionally see a prompt asking you to scan a QR code with your phone. Simply follow the instructions shown on the screen to continue. This step may be required for certain quests, so make sure to complete it if it appears. After you've accepted the quest, finish all of the required objectives. Your progress will typically be tracked automatically as you complete each task. Depending on the quest, you may need to perform different activities before becoming eligible for the reward. Once you've successfully completed all of the requirements, return to the Quest section. Locate the completed quest and claim your orbs from the quest menu. After claiming the reward, the orbs will be added to your account according to Discord's reward system. That's all there is to it. By opening the Quests section, accepting an available quest, completing its objectives, and claiming your reward, you can start earning Discord orbs whenever eligible quests are available for your account. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,